Hi everybody, welcome back to another Kingly video. My name is Teacher John. Today I'm going to be going over what it's like to rent a home or even buy a home with all the crazy acronyms and what exactly do they mean. Let's get started. This is a classic advertisement to rent a home or buy a home. It is a single family detached home, which means we're not attached to any other home. 3-bedroom, 1.75 bath, and we'll get into that in a minute. AC, air conditioning, garden, covered parking, driveway, gate, appliances, pets okay, no smoking, full furnished, move-in ready, immediate occupancy, first, last security. Okay, so what exactly does it all mean? First, last, and security means you have to pay your first month rent, your last month rent, and a security deposit to move in. Move-in ready means you can just move on in. Full furnished, it's fully furnished. Okay, immediate occupancy, you can rent it today. And the reason why they do this is so that people can scan ads and know exactly what they're getting in the quickest amount of time. And that's how most real estate agents will do it. So let's go again. This is a single family detached home, which means nobody lives alongside of it. It has the garden, full driveway, covered parking. Come on in. This is actually called the entryway, or other people call it a threshold. Let me show you one bedroom. This is one bedroom, and actually it'll be coming without the weight stack or the desk, a bed. So as I was showing before, 1.75 bath. So let me show you what the difference is. So this is a 0.75 bath, meaning it has a sink and a toilet, but it only has a stand-up shower. So it's not a full bathroom. A full bathroom will have a bathtub, and I'll show you that in a moment. Another bedroom, actually, as he told me, will only come with the bed. All of this will not be here. Let's come. I'll show you the master. You get a bed. Oh, you get a bed and a couple little cubbies. I think some people, what they think is move-in ready and fully furnished, all depends on their level and their lifestyle. So you have to be careful with that. It does have a full walk-in closet. And this would be a full bathroom where you would actually have your sink, your toilet, and a bathtub. Okay? So this, in fact, is a full bathroom. If the bathroom doesn't have any shower or a bathtub, that would be a half bath. And the advertisement would then show 1.5 bath. This we would call the living room. Standard dining area, okay? And then let's work our way into the kitchen. Now, this house is quite interesting because unlike most, you have a full-size refrigerator, cooktop, and oven. And that's another reason why people use acronyms. They really don't have to give full details, okay? Welcome to Kingly, where anywhere you are worldwide, 24 hours a day, on-demand English learning, cell phone, iPad, laptop. If you have internet access, you have access to a native-speaking English teacher 24/7. Thank you so much.